Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Time for a quick garden update right after this. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're doing a quick garden update. As you can see, my kale is doing quite well. I never had kale grow this fast before, so I'm impressed. I don't know if the heat from the tires are helping or not. Come over here, look at the tomato plant. My tomato plant's even doing quite well. I mean, these are nice and solid. I mean, that's grown really well. Got a bunch of blossoms on it, a few tomatoes. I don't see no pest damage. In previous videos, I'd get that fungus and the leaves start turning yellow. This year, it's not doing it. I'm really impressed by that tomato plant. Unfortunately, my pepper plant was doing well, but I don't know what's going on with that. I'm going to try to maybe move the sprinkler around, give it a little more water. I did order some pesticide. It's all organic, pet friendly. That way if Blue gets up in here and chews on it, it's not going to hurt them. Speaking of Blue, over here is my bush bean. As you see, I'm getting a couple green beans on it. Right here is my Brussels sprouts. I got little tiny ones growing in there. Can't really see them yet. But you can see I'm getting some leaf damage from bugs. So I'll have to get that insecticide or pesticide, spray it on here. I'll try to give the pepper plant a little extra fertilizer, a little extra water, see how that helps. Okay, like I said, this is going to just be a quick video. I am going to make some kale soup, so I'll be another video. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.